Hey y'all, what's poppin'? It's your girl Journey with KEE-KEE back with another video truck banger. How y'all doing? How y'all doing? How y'all doing? Today we have Jack in the Box. Okay. How y'all doing? It is hot out here in California. Your girl is, she's drinking on the beatbox. Yes, she is. She's drinking on the beatbox. She is drinking on a beatbox, and I'm hungry. Your girl is hungry. Okay, so the title. Oh shit. The title of today's video, or the question, is: would you relocate for a family member? Would you relocate for a family member? Nice and cold. Yes. Nice and cold. Would you relocate for a family member? Me, I would say yes, I would, depending on who is the family member. You know what I'm saying? Who is the family member? Okay. I sure would. And I know that I'm here in California, and my mom is in Vegas, and my dad is in Vegas. And I know that when that time come for them, because they are in, I think they're in their late 60s. They got time to go, okay? They is up and running around, and they moving and moving. They got time to go. So I ain't got to worry about that right now. But I know when that time do come, I'm right there with my mom and my dad. Okay? Me, my sister, my niece, and my stepsister. Yes. So would you relocate for a family member? Let me know down below. Would you relocate for a family member? I got the car running because it's hot. I got the air on because it's hot. I don't want the windows down because I don't want no flies. And so today we got, hopefully y'all can see this, y'all, because I'm in the alley, parked in the alley, next to my house. I got curly fries here. They have these new spicy, angry, like Angry Birds, new spicy, angry Monster tacos at Jack in the Box. So I have that. I have 2 of those. We have some chicken strips. I have a 3-piece chicken strip. I have a 3-piece jalapeno popper. We have some good old curly fries. Do you hear me? Curly fries. And we got a good old burger. Period. A good burger. Don't that burger look good? Ooh, look. It's about to drip right there. Period. We got the egg on the burger. Yes. But guess what? We need to take a picture. I'll be back. Curly fries. The Monster Angry Fiery Taco. Chicken strips. jalapeno poppers and that good old burger. Yeah. I'm up here filming and thinking I had the camera back on me, baby. It was towards the alley. Alright, y'all. So we gonna get into this video. Okay? And eat this good old food. Hope the air ain't too loud. It is hot out here. Y'all already know how the camera is set, so let's just hope that it don't say nothing about overheat exposure, okay? So we gonna get started with some good old curly fries. I hope y'all can see this. Like I said, I am parked in the alley. We gonna dip these curly fries in some ranch. Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. Mm. That was nothing but a hard ass shell. Mm-mm. Where's the heat? Where's the heat? Mm-mm. Mm-mm. This thing ain't spicy at all. This ain't spicy at all. Where's the heat? Mm-hmm. Y'all make sure y'all let me know. Would you relocate for a family member? Would you relocate where you living for a family member to relocate somewhere else? Mm-mm. Mm-hmm. Mm. This is good. Mm-hmm. Baby, this is good. And I'm hungry. Mm-hmm. Mm-mm-mm-mm. Mm. Mm-hmm. Mm-mm-mm. It's good, y'all. How y'all day going? Mm. Mm-mm-mm. This is good. Jalapeno popper. Mm. Y'all. This is good. I ain't gonna lie to you. Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. How y'all doing today? What y'all getting into on this Monday? What are y'all getting into on this Monday? If you ain't subscribed to the channel, what are you waiting for? Subscribe to the channel. We are on the road to what? 20K. Mm-hmm. We on the road to 20K. Yes, we are. We on the road to 20K. Oh, excuse me. Let's take a bite of this burger, though. We got an egg on it. We got, oh, shit. Let me see. We got an egg. We got bacon. Okay, just an egg, bacon, and that good old dressing. Mm. Mm. It's good. Mm-hmm. This is it. Yeah, baby. I don't know if I can dip it. It ain't gonna fit. Oh, a little bit fit. Mm. Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. Good old curly fry. Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. Y'all make sure y'all put down below in the comment section, would you relocate for a family member? Like I said, it depends on what family member. Mm-hmm. Well, I tell you, these bee boxes be good, baby. This watermelon be hitting, be hitting, be hitting, be hitting. Shout out to Danny. Danny Love. Oh, I hope I'm not chopping your name. Shout out to the hashtag Cannons. Hashtag Cannons. Danny, I seen you over there. She was representing her newest, coldest water bottle. Yeah, she was representing her newest, coldest water bottle, period. And she mixed the bee box with a buzz ball. I didn't do that, but I love buzz balls and bee boxes, though. Shout out to Miss Danny. I love you, boo-boo. If y'all don't know about the hashtag with the cannons, hashtag cannons, y'all need to go check them out. Guess what, y'all? My baby girl, my princess, she started back work today. And guess what that means? The baby started daycare today. OMG. Baby. I was on the phone with her. I'm that grandma. While she was taking her to daycare, I let them know. I'm a teacher too. Can I have the number, please? Can I have the number to where my granny baby at? Give me that number. Give me that number, because I need to check on my granny baby. I sure do. I need to check on my granny baby. And make sure ain't nobody mistreating my granny baby. Oh, but it was bittersweet, y'all. It was bittersweet. For her mama. For her daddy. And for me, the grandma, period. I ain't got no more ranch. It was bittersweet. Matter of fact, Y'all, remember I was telling y'all about the heat exposure? Because my little phone thing is sitting in the window. It's hot out here in California, so the heat exposure is real out here, okay? So now I gotta hold the phone with my hand. That's crazy. If I put it back up in the window, it's probably gonna cut off. Where's the heat? It ain't no heat. How red this is, it should be hot, but it's not. Burger with that egg on it and that bacon. Shout out to all my members. All my Reese Cup Squad members, shout out to you. I love all y'all. Sorry about the setup, but I think if I put it back in the window, it's gonna cut off because of the heat exposure. I'm gonna sit it down for 1 second. Because I need to open these sauces. See, I set it there for just a couple of seconds and it was already getting hot. jalapeno popper. Mm. Mm, 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 mm. It's good, y'all. Mm-hmm. That's real good. But guess what? Your girl getting full. I can't eat no more. Whew. I love each and every last one of y'all. I really, really do. Y'all make sure y'all go check out my merch. I do got merch. Make sure y'all check out my merch. And the join button is still activated. Come on over to the Reese Cup Squad. Excuse me. Come on over to the Reese Cup Squad. I appreciate you all. Thank you for watching the video. Bye.